Oh man. I really think this is probably visually the best thing that I've ever done when it comes to my filmmaking career, and I shot it for free. Seth reached out because he wanted a photo shoot and he was in town, so I was like, yeah, I can do a photo shoot as long as you let me do a music video. Let's kind of briefly break down the music video. What I mean by low budget or zero is I didn't rent equipment out. I didn't have to hire PAs or assistant cameras or a producer or an editor or a director or a DP. I did it all on my own with some help from my friends that just wanted to kind of show up. And Alex, thank you for doing the behind the scenes video on this. That means a lot. And Seth, thanks for letting me film you. Apart from using the ZCAM E2-S6 and the Vazen 40mm, I wanted to keep it really simple. Handheld and on a tripod the entire time. Just a couple different locations. We used two things to light Seth, which was a super cheap Yongnuo light bar. I think it's like $100. Man, this is like one of the greatest things ever. And the other thing that I used to light Seth was, you're probably losing light right now, Ember, quit it. Oh, there goes the camera. Besides using the Yongnuo light bar, I used a simple reflector. As always, I'll have the items I use down below in the description. They are affiliate links, so keep that in mind. If you want to avoid it, go into incognito mode or just search it yourself, but I'd really appreciate making a couple dollars off of your purchase if you do it. Apart from the Yongnuo light bar and the reflector, I just used my camera. We kept it really simple, had fun with it. The main thing that I wanted to do shooting-wise was to do 3 different angles. One was kind of from a distance, and then one was a medium shot, and both of those were on tripods to just keep it static. And then for the third shot, I just wanted to go handheld with it and walk around Seth and kind of him do his thing, I would do mine, and we would put it all together in post. But let's kind of go behind the gear really quickly. This is a big V-mount battery that I use to help balance weight and to power my camera all day long. This really distributes the weight really well. This top handle is wow, I have seen a lot of hype about it. It's brand new from Nipsey. Just get it. That's really all I can say. It's amazing. The stinger handle just kind of brought it all together. I was easily able to hold it down below, and it kind of looked like I had IBIS on, which is crazy. I couldn't believe it. The other times is I just had it close to my chest and at a side, almost like I was using an easy rig, which is like that, what's that fish called? The angler fish. You know, the thing that's got the light. Anyway, it was kind of like that. I could put all of the weight and just the heavy lifting part into my whole body, bring it in close, and really counteract the shakiness that can come from handheld work. I kind of wish I did all handheld because I love the look of it. You gotta shoot more handheld. Just do it. You don't need gimbals, you don't need sliders, you don't need all this crazy stuff. Rig your camera up properly with some weight and blow yourself away. The monitor I'm using is the Atmos Shinobi. I've been using this for quite a while now, and I really enjoy it. The handle that you see here is from Revolver, and it allows me to control my camera. There's no pressure. We didn't have a brand kind of relying on us. There was no budget, so if we messed up, big deal. And that's the true art of being a creative. Doing these free projects for super low budget and with friends, and kind of throwing crap at the wall and see what sticks. I learned so much from this. I hope you learned a little bit, and if you got the opportunity, go out and shoot with some friends. You know the drill now. I'll see you on the next one.